unwanted hair, whether it's your face, body, or even down there, figuring out how to deal with it can feel like a full-time job. But hey, take a breath. I'm here to make it simple. Hey beautiful, welcome back to Becoming Herself, your transition guide. I'm Zara, your slightly overcaffeinated, always supportive big sister on this wild, wonderful journey of becoming, well, her. And today, we're diving into one of those topics that nobody really prepares you for, hair removal. Yep, that conversation. If you've ever stood in front of the mirror wondering, how do I deal with all this without completely losing my mind? Don't worry, I've been there, and I've got you. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's figure out what actually works and what's just a painful waste of time. So, why does hair removal matter so much for some of us? I mean, it's just hair, right? Well, yes and no for many trans women. And I know this from my own experience. Hair isn't just a cosmetic thing. It's a reminder of a version of ourselves we're trying to grow beyond. Every time we look in the mirror and see facial hair or feel coarse hair on our body where we wish it wasn't, it can spark dysphoria, that little pang in your chest that whispers, this doesn't feel like me. And that's why for so many of us, hair removal becomes a step toward freedom. Not because we're trying to be perfect, but because we're trying to feel comfortable in our own skin. Some do it to boost their confidence every day. Others prepare for big milestones like gender-affirming surgeries. And some of us, we just want to wake up, look in the mirror, and smile without that voice in our head reminding us of where we started. And that's beautiful, because every little step you take toward feeling like you is worth celebrating. All right, beauties, let's talk about the battlefield of hair removal methods. So many promises, so much pain, and sometimes a whole lot of regret. But don't worry, I've tested them all, so you don't have to. 1. Shaving. Quick, easy, but high maintenance. Shaving is the classic go-to. Fast? Yes. Cheap? Absolutely. But the downside? That silky smooth feeling lasts about as long as my self-control at a donut shop. Pro tip, always use a fresh razor and shave with the grain to avoid razor burn. And don't forget to moisturize, babe. Irritated skin is not the vibe. Skin to Mate Raspberry Rain was my personal go-to, and I used to combine it with the Philips Norelco 7000 for those nights before a date, when I wanted to watch a movie while shaving. True story. I once skipped moisturizing after a last-minute shave before a pool party. Let's just say my legs were on fire, and I had to spend the whole day covered up. Zero fun. 2. Waxing and sugaring. Pain, now, smooth later. If you're brave and want results that last for weeks, waxing or sugaring is your girl. Waxing rips the hair out from the root, and sugaring does the same, but with a gentler, all-natural paste. Pro tip, exfoliate a day before and skip the caffeine. Yes, really. Caffeine makes your skin more sensitive to pain. Learned that the hard way after downing a double espresso before my first Brazilian wax. It was a religious experience I never want to repeat. Favorites? Flamingo Women's Body Wax Kit for an easy at-home option now. And if you want to go all natural, try the Moom Organic Hair Removal Kit. Tier 3. Depilatory creams. Convenient, but chemical. These creams work by literally dissolving the hair just below the skin's surface. Fast and painless. If your skin plays nice, pro tip, always patch test first. Unless you're into horror stories titled, Why is my skin on fire? Go-to brands: Veet Gel Hair Removal Cream for sensitive skin, and Nair Sensitive Formula Shower Cream. My friend Emma once tried Naya right before a hot date. Ended up with red blotches and wore jeans in July. Lesson learned, okay? 4. Epilators. Long-lasting. High pain tolerance required. Epilators are like tiny rotating tweezers that rip hair out by the roots. Sounds like a medieval torture device? Honestly, not far off, but the results last for weeks. Pro tip, start with areas that aren't super sensitive, like your lower legs, before working up to anywhere more personal. Try this one. Braun Silk Epil 5, designed for beginners, and it comes with a gentle massage cap to help with the ouch factor. And real talk, the first time I tried this, I nearly called my therapist, but after a few sessions, it does get easier. Or maybe I just lost all feeling. Who's to say? 5. Laser hair removal. Big investment, big results. If you're thinking long-term and ready to invest, laser hair removal could change your life. It works best if you have light skin and dark hair, but newer devices are improving for more skin tones. Pro tip, consistency is key, and don't expect overnight miracles. Think of it like a long-term relationship, slow, steady, but totally worth it. At-home devices, the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5 is a bestseller, and if you're after salon-level results, check out Smooth Skin Pure Fit. Personal win, after 6 laser sessions on my face, I woke up one morning and didn't have to reach for a razor. I nearly cried. Happy tears, obviously. P.R.I.S. Electrolysis, the forever fix. This is the only FDA-approved permanent hair removal method. It works on all skin tones, all hair types, and literally lasts forever. The catch? It takes time. Like a lot of time, and it's not exactly pain-free, but if you're dreaming of never thinking about body hair again, this might be your answer. Pro tip, bring snacks and something to binge watch. These appointments aren't quick. My friend Lily did electrolysis for her facial hair, and she calls it the best gift she ever gave her future self. Expensive? Yes. Worth it? Absolutely. So remember, no one's journey looks the same. Take your time, try things out, and find what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Whether that's shaving today and saving up for laser tomorrow, it's all valid. You've got this. So, how do you actually choose what's right for you? With all these options, it's easy to spiral into overthinking mode. But here's the truth. This isn't a lifetime contract. You don't have to commit forever. You just have to choose what feels right for you right now. Start by asking yourself a few honest questions. What's my budget? What's my pain tolerance? Do I want quick fixes or long-term solutions? Am I doing this for a big event, for everyday comfort, or just to experiment? And hey, it's okay to start with something simple like shaving. It's okay to try waxing once and swear it off forever. It's okay to save up for laser or electrolysis. If that's part of your long-term dream, this is your journey. And every small step you take, even just exploring your options, is a win. Don't let anyone tell you how feminine you should look or feel. You define that for yourself. And babe, you're doing just fine. All right, you've picked your method, or maybe you're still testing the waters. Either way, let me drop some of my tried and true Smooth Queen survival tips. Tip number 1, patch test, babe, always. I know it's tempting to just slather that depilatory cream on and pray for smooth legs by sunset. But trust me, nothing ruins your day faster than chemical burns in places we don't talk about at brunch. Test it, always. Tip number 2, exfoliate like your life depends on it. Dead skin is not the vibe, and ingrown hairs, rude. Gentle exfoliation before hair removal helps prevent all that drama. My personal favorite moisturizer is La Roche-Posay Lipicard AP+. It will sting at first, but that's just your skin getting those minerals it needs. Think of it like clearing the red carpet for your smooth skin moment. Tip number 3, moisturize, then moisturize some more. Your skin just went through a breakup with its hair. It's sensitive, it needs comfort. Hydrate it, love it, and it'll love you back. Tip number 4, be patient. Gorgeous. Hair removal, like this entire journey, takes time. Some methods need a few tries before you see the results. And hey, perfection isn't the goal here. Feeling good is. So take your time, laugh at the awkward moments, and don't forget to celebrate the tiny victories, even if it's just surviving your first waxing appointment without tears. So gorgeous. Remember this. Hair removal isn't about perfection. It's about creating little moments where you feel more like you. Whether you're team shaving, saving up for laser, or just testing the waters, every choice you make for you is the right one. And hey, if you'd like a little extra support, I've put together a free hair removal starter guide just for you. It's packed with quick tips, method comparisons, and my personal favorite aftercare secrets. You can download it right now from the link in the description. And as always, if this video gave you a little clarity or even just made you smile, drop a comment below and share your go-to hair removal trick, or that one method you swear you'll never try again. Hit that like button, subscribe for more real talk, and remember, you're already on your way to becoming her. One soft, smooth, fabulous step at a time.